saying good morning, sir?
Good morning, sir.
Don't play with me.
Don't play with me.
You start already. Good morning, guys. We woke up to a mountain of snow. So we're on our way out. Going to just spend some quality time together. And well, Mr. Williams had a few stuff that he ordered, but he has to go and pick them up because they're only curbside pickup. So we're going to go do that. So we're just pretty much, and so far, yeah, he ordered something and he has to go like well far, like past Toronto to go get it because it's the only store that had it, but he needs it. So that's what we're going to go do, but it will be a nice drive out. So I'm taking you guys along with me to enjoy the snow. So let's get you a little bit of snow footage. It's beautiful outside.
Yeah, right.
See, look, see how beautiful it is. It's beautiful outside because the snow has freshly fallen. This is what I love to see. When it starts getting dirty, it's not my cup of tea. So as you can see, the snow has freshly fallen and it just looks beautiful. Like, Mr. Williams? Where are you calling you for?
What?
Oh gosh. So I was thinking about maybe if it's still nice, we and the kids can go tobogganing later. We find a hill and go down it. It will be fun. But the only thing is they don't have no winter pants. There you go, skating in shorts. What you think of some of this? So yeah, oh man, but it's so nice outside. So go in, you're gonna go in on this end here. So
no snow plow, no go and clean people.
But as you know, the holidays here and the snow plow them. They're on the main road, but they're not on the other road. So far, because of that, our streets are not plowed. And Mr. William was having a hard time driving up. Oh yeah, because there's no snow on them. Of course, you can always tell the cars that are parked in the garage because they don't have snow on them. But the ones that aren't, they have snow on them.
Silver?
Yeah, I think so.
How much?
You only need
You only need what you need. Why? How much?
I don't know how much silver I have.
$1.50 for the gas. So you have $1?
$1.50 for the gas. And I guess you're going to go get.
Yeah, dear.
Let me blow your night for you.
So you're middle when you're
Yo, you see your face, not play with me. You can't come on camera one day and not give talking. Huh? You can't come on here one day and not give talking. Imagine me, you know, that the little something there.
No, yeah, alone.
Where being your bright up yesterday.
You can't clean up the gas station.
Over here, so.
Huh?
Huh? I know, you slide all over the place. Oh, I know, because you were asking and I told you that they have one over here, so I wasn't sure. So why wouldn't you reverse in?
Why?
And it's the back one.
Why? You didn't say it was.
Why it has a long tail?
Come give the money.
Give you the money. I'm supposed to ask you for money. I know you if you ask me for money.
Carry silver.
You're bright, but you not carry silver. How much is it say on there? $1.50? So yeah, take me one little dollar, babes. Eh? You know, see me need to save me £2.
Give me the money, man. Sure.
Hello. You see you get right?
How come go on like?
Oh Lord. Close the door, please. Oh man. Man, see, that's the thing. Anytime I just leave the house and come outside, it has the blinker on. I'm forever coughing. Ever coughing. But I love it when the snow is freshly fallen, like I said. But to come out and play in it for a little bit, that's pretty much about it. But after that, no, your girl is good. It's just nice if the snow would stay nice and white and pretty like it is. It just looks, you know, flawless. But it ain't gonna stay that way. You soon start seeing some brown stains and yellow stains and gray stains because, you know, it gets dirty real quick. Oh my goodness. And our glass is frozen. I can't even see it. How the heck? The glass is... So how Mario see? Hold on. I'm gonna go help him shovel off some of the ice off this, because I don't understand how he's managing to see with the let me go there, go see what he's doing. Well, babe, oh, hang on. Look at this man hiding now. Hello, sir. How come you didn't scrape off here? Look at it. You can't scrape it off. It's working.
Where's your backside?
It is working.
Are you a pump here? Me a pump.
Well, working. You don't know if it work it.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
Where we need to go.
Go and dig off a glass of
Why you not go there go dig off?
dig off the ice off.
Eh? Yes, sir, you're right. You go out there, go dig off the thing. We're driving on the highway and the ice, Mario not dig off the ice off the back, the bonnet.
Can't dig off.
And a beer fly almost mashed the windscreen on the highway. So we're here, we're sitting waiting to pick up our order. We had to pop the trunk because them only doing pickup. So we're there to wait, but it looked like the snow is coming down. We are about to get a maybe a snowstorm. What's up?
I'm ready.
This one here miserable up himself because we still have one more stop to make. We still have somewhere else to go.
You change my mind, you know.
You change your mind what? Go the other place?
What do you mean? Where's so many be beaten?
Yeah, I know. Why? I think I made it all before me young, but why? You beat me this.
It's snow.
Yeah, it's
I don't like driving in the snow.
Yeah, no. No.
I'll be a madman up on the road.
Like yourself.
Well, too mad somebody can't live on the road. Mad and mad, they drive on a good sign.
Oh my gosh. So we're just here waiting.
No music on the pause.
Hello.
I will pause.
You know say no manners? Eh? Why not turn off the music?
You hear it?
Yes. So we're just here waiting for the people them to come out and deliver our package. And this one here just in the car giving me beer talking.
You need me up here, Luciana?
I tell you, I want to hear Luciana. Eh? Turn on this.
You don't want to give thanks?
Wait a minute, I want to give thanks.
Another day.
Me can't give thanks without the music. Me give thanks every day. Before my foot even get up off of my bed. As me open my eyes, me say my prayer.
Let me music.
Bright. And the last thing me do before me go to my bed. Because you have to give thanks.
You know when you go to your bed?
What do you mean? Before me even drop asleep, me usually always pray from me little pan. From me little pan that bed, me usually say a prayer because me know say me we fall asleep anytime.
Which one is it? Usually I do it. Usually I do it. Talk, pick your time.
What do you mean usually?
Usually mean you stop or you
no.
know.
Okay,
usually.
I do it. Okay, I do it.
No, but you need to be more specific, you know.
You see you talking?
There you go.
Yeah? You know the chef the other day?
Oh.
Yo.
It's no manure. And snowfall pan it grow more.
I say if snowfall pan your beard they grow more.
And it cool.
You just shaved the other day and look on your face. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so we're just sitting here.
Come here.
Really, babes? Really?
I can't, but remember say me need me rest now me I drive.
What do you mean you need your rest your drive?
I'm cold just in my head back room.
Yeah, if you bust you're supposed to bust your head back.
Lock back your trunk.
You hello, me tell us if you keep your trunk closed.
Then tell us to open it.
And you have left it open.
You know follow the instruction?
Me follow the instruction.
Then say open chum. Chow, what's wrong with you?
You know say I'm here talking again, eh? So I'm in the climb that truck there.
Then we come out. I must see in the comfort.
What do you mean I must be in the comfort? Why am I in the comfort? Why can't you? Eh? Why can't it be you?
Because he was dead.
Oh my god, I am so weak right now. So yeah guys, we're just sitting here waiting in our car like everybody else. We're here waiting like everybody else.
Right now, me run out of gas.
You run out of gas?
Take of them.
So you not tap it something there?
See there? And a quarter tank.
I don't sick of them. You know, say the smart one, them will come, you see, them shut off them car. What you choose, we have
So
on
we shut off the car and the trunk open, me not go freeze.
Hello, just say keep your trunk closed. And when them come, they can tell them to open it. You just get talking. I don't know who tell if my man they wear free mask underneath him. Man, I one thing we can say with this, I love when I see people wearing their mask. It's so funny because how do you know when we see people wear masks, they're supposed to wear it above your mouth and your nose. But you see everybody when they have a mask, the mask down inside their chin. How is that helping you? Or they have the mask over their mouth but their nose open. Remember, say your nose. But then
Me can't take them back, right?
when me think about that, you know. If this is something you can get.
Oh, you're lucky.
Oh, they reach.
So in the wrong place in there. So hold on. Why don't you not tell me something and put me other?
Oh, where are we up here?
Yeah, see what you name, man. Look.
I have your other. And I have your other.
What you know, square man have?
No, it's not your order, Mario.
Why turn on the miss your hand? Look him inside, baby.
Where are we looking outside?
Why not win there? Look him inside. You know?
Hold up the window.
Watch how they don't get themselves in a problem now. Then give me order.
And I feel order. Look there. Does that look like yours?
Wait, man.
Look how much stuff is in the back.
Kill him and show me.
See me come there.
Oh, you're lucky. You gonna come over here, see?
It's like, wait a minute, you don't look like the same person that's on this.
Got me bleach out now.
Yeah, say I bleach out.
Pass it, give me my checky, boy.
I can't hear you, Mario. Mario, the trunk is open.
You can't understand me. When
Why,
me pass, give me my checky, boy, you don't understand. Take time like me chunk. What time man slam me chunk?
Mario, hurry up, come on here, people.
So look how you slam me chunk hard. You go pop you off. You go check it, yeah.
Oh my God.
You buy pussy in a bag, you know.
You can't buy pussy in a bag, so where you buy pussy?
Move from behind me chunk.
Oh my gosh, this man is disgusting. Like, oh, Lord, give me strength. You see, this is the problem with people too. So you are telling me if you take time with the trunk and you are mash
After
up.
me hit and me mash you up. You get pay feet?
Eh? You say you're disgusting?
Yeah, me just with this.
Joke me with it.
You go and chat.
You see, guys, this is an everyday thing. Oh my Lord. Look there. See, look at all the ice we have fly off. Look at all the ice that's flying off the trunk because of this one. Because he didn't clean up the trunk before, and now all the ice is flying off. Oh, the snow started to go down. It's not snowing as much anymore.
You satisfied now? Huh?
Satisfied?
You satisfied?
You satisfied? You get what you want? You get what you want?
Look how much 2 hours me drive. Come for one little something way.
Here I know.
Look funny. Can't bother, no?
So you wanna bring it back? Give it back to them then.
I'll check if on the right time, I bring it back.
Here I know. finally reached home. I forgot to finish vlogging. It was just crazy, but we're home. I'm about to go and shower and get some dinner. Of course, I don't know where you're going. And then, so I'm about to go get some dinner. Mr. Williams is
look at that, mommy,
mashing up some food, so I'm gonna go.
I know, and I want to scoop and then give me none.
Eat, and yeah, we're probably just gonna go hang out, watch a movie. Not much to do. One day the same thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little outing today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to tell a friend to come and join the William fam, where it's always a vibes over here. I will catch you all in the next one. Stay blessed, guys. Peace.
They are not our fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me gonna be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How them meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day.